Welcome back, Fungi-philes. Today we're going to go ahead and spawn out probably our last Ziploc Tek that I hope to ever do. We're going to be spawning out some pink oysters to some hardwood substrate in Ziploc bags. Let's get to it. This pink oyster is actually starting to pin in the jar. Not sure if there's any fruits going on there, but let's go ahead and Ziploc Tek this. My silicone bags have not come yet, so we're going to go ahead and Ziploc Tek this one with the rest of the hardwood substrate that I have made up. I also got a heat and stir plate in the mail today. It came a little bit earlier than expected, but super excited to have that. I have to order some more stir bars though. I do want to move away from having direct plastic contact with my organism. I'm going to be going more over this in an upcoming video here soon. I'm just waiting on some things to deliver so I can finish that out. We're just letting everything cool down right now. Alright, this should be cooled down enough. We can go ahead and start by probably prepping our grain so that's ready to go. Mycelium was trying to grow out the lid up here. Just going ahead and check my substrate out. Looks nice. It's at field capacity. Just use up the rest of what I have in here. This is probably the last Ziploc Tek I'll be doing, as I'm going to be moving to reusable bags. And let's go ahead and get that grain in there. Gonna have to break that up again. Beautiful. Get everything nice and mixed around in there. You can let out that extra air. Perfect. All right. Compress it into a nice little log. We don't really want any loose bits hanging around. We really do want to watch out for grain. We want to make sure that all the grain is down there in that log. Now this is good to go on a shelf. I just leave a little bit in there, a little bit of air in there so it can breathe while it colonizes. I don't think I'm going to put a slit and a patch on it this time. I don't really think it needs that much air during this colonization, but let's figure it out. I am going to go ahead and throw this in just my empty fruiting chamber with my other colonizing blocks that I'm experimenting with. So hopefully we can fruit this here soon. And there we have our pink oyster Ziploc bag. As I was saying, I believe this is going to be my last time doing these Ziplocs. I have a video I'm working on here soon, which I'm not going to dive into too much now. I'll be covering this topic thoroughly in the next video. But with these, I also have incubating some blue oysters in a silicone bag. This is a pretty expensive alternative. I bought this at Target for like 14 bucks a piece. Bought 2 of these just for testing, but I have some silicone kneading bags that are being delivered, which we'll be taking a peek at very soon. I'm hoping to entirely replace plastic use in my cultivation process. Better for the mushrooms and better for me. However, that wraps it up for today's video. Thank you very much for joining us.